light can affect the way you see things.
There's this kind of theory where whatever we see is not what exactly is. And I wanted to explore more on physical in front of an audience.
Someone's standing on stage, but then the light changes, gone.
And the whole of Dark Mofo's theme for this year's Panopticon is silence. So it was something that I was very intrigued with.
So as soon as the lights go off, what the audience outside can't see, the viewers can see.
LGBT, refugees, suicide, domestic violence, terrorism, Black Lives Matter. They all have names, and so we're trying to recognise them. When it's Dark Mofo, a lot more artists, a lot more people just come out more.
I think it's great, and this is the first time I've ever been to a Dark Mofo event, so I'm really happy to be a part of it.
Students get to experience the global standard of art that is coming in and through Tasmania while they're studying. Tasmania is full of festivals at the moment that provide opportunities for people to go and work with other artists.
There's a lot of banging on the windows.
You don't get many opportunities to be a part of something as big as Dark Mofo. That's pretty awesome.